It's your boy Trey Dub, and let's go ahead and get to the unboxing on the Jordan 4 Retro SC Craft Medium Olive. Now, before we do, y'all take a look at the box. This box look nice, man. Look at that. They did a great job with the box. Y'all see that? Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's go. Wow, 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 wow. I'm impressed. Look, I feel like going hunting right now, man. I feel like going, is it hunt season? I feel like going hunting right now. Wow. This, I don't know, man. This shoe is dope. I know for a fact this shoe gonna look good on feet. I know for a fact this shoe gonna look good on feet. Now, your boy didn't hit on none of the raffles. I didn't hit on the raffle on Hibbett. I didn't hit on the raffle on Foot Locker. So I was like, F it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna just wait on the 13s. So all day I've been, on Nike sneakers app. And I'm like, man, they still have sizes available, but I want them now so I can do the review. So I'm calling Hibbett stores, in the area, and they don't have my size 11 and a half. I can wear size 12 when it comes to forward. And it's one store that has size 12, and they say they have one size 12 left. So I got in the slingshot, man, and I hauled ass over there. You know what I'm saying? Pulled up, parked in the front, went in there, grabbed them, got out, and I'm like, man, cause I was gonna say forget it, you know what I'm saying? But I'm like, damn, you know what I'm saying? I can rock these. Your boy could do something with these, you know what I'm saying? So looking at the other apps, as far as like Nike sneakers app, they still have sizes available. So y'all can go on there. If y'all don't got these, go and get you some olives if they have your size. All right. Now Foot Locker have sizes. Finish Line have sizes. Hibbett don't have sizes in men, of course. I think they have sizes in kids. Stock X, these shoes are below retail. I can't believe it. I thought these shoes was gonna be at least 2.5 resale. So I can't believe it, man. Because the shoe is dope. And these shoes are way better than those blue ones that came out, the navies. The ones that came out last week, those trash, man. But these right here, these are dope, man. I feel like getting me a rifle and a hunting hat, man, and just going out there and just, man, I feel like playing duck hunt, man. Y'all remember that game on Nintendo? Damn, these are nice. All right, I was reading about the material on this shoe, and it says the upper is 3 different materials: leather, suede, and textile. Man, that's a hell of a combination. I see somebody switch their shoestrings online with some orange shoestrings. I don't know about that, man, but I mean, I think they got it right with these shoestrings. If you look at the tongue, you have your Jumpman with the word flight on the tongue. Y'all see that? Man, that look dope. All right, the bottom of the shoe, that's 4 different colors: white, black, gray, and you have your cream, your tan. You got your Jumpman right there in the middle. If you look right here in the midsole, got your white, black, gray right there. Got your air bubble. the back of the shoe. You got your Jumpman. You got your Air Jordan right there on the other side of your tongue. Now, inside the shoe, sock liner all black. Yeah, y'all, when it come to Jordan 3s and when it come to Jordan 4s, I can do either 11.5 or 12 due to the toe box. You know what I'm saying? The toe box is a little tight. Or even Jordan 9. Now, Jordan 9s, I gotta do size 12 because that toe box is real tight. But shout out to everybody that hit on the shock drop on the Gratitudes, man. 4 of my partners hit on the Gratitude on shock drop. I ain't hit on the shock drop. Why? But it's all good. It's all good. We gonna get them. All right. So let's go see how these look on feet. Let's go. All right, y'all. These shoes are beautiful, off feet and on feet. If you don't got them, do yourself a favor. Go ahead and get them before they sell out. Y'all seen how they look on feet. These shoes are beautiful, 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 beautiful. I can't stop looking at the shoe. I'm very, very happy with my purchase. And I can't wait to rock these shoes when I step out. Cause your boy gonna be on fleek. All right. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right. I'm out. Peace.